Halima Nisha. Okay, fine. Anyway, Smafi Blossom, good evening. And then Rasina Sifana, hi sir. Via Jai, good evening. Gemini Mani, good evening. And then Halima Nisha, hi sir. Okay, so fine. Anyway, good evening to all. Okay, kindly, Magesh Prabhu, good evening, good evening. Um, okay, kindly say the status of network and how about the network? Is it okay? And what about the visibility of the board? Kindly send the feedback and then we will start the today's session. Nested loops. Okay, fine. Anyway, last class I told, end of the last class I told, and this programming session consists of 15 classes. After the 15th class, we will conduct a small test in online. So based on the online test, we will send certificates to you, and e-certificates, or it may be a certificate. We will send through a postal, or if it is not possible, we will send through your email ID as a e-certificate. Okay, so fine. Rasina Sifana, yaru? What yaru? Okay, shall we start now? Okay, good, super. Okay, shall we start now the class? Okay, so today we are going to see the topic that is nested loops. So I think the visibility is clear, right? Clear of the board. Okay, fine. And we're starting the nesting of loops. So nesting of loops. சார் யாரோ என் ஃப்ரெண்டுன்னு சொல்றாங்க. என்ன ஃப்ரெண்டு? சார் யாரோ என் ஃப்ரெண்டுன்னு சொல்றாங்க. யாரு? புரியல. Shall we start now? Okay. For nested of loops, you studied already nested if. You studied already nested if concept. If inside another if, that is called nested if. So if condition, if the condition is true, another if statement it will be inside the if statement. The same way, you can write n number of condition inside the if statement. So this is called nested if statement. If inside another if, and that if inside another if is called nesting of if. You know already, and we taught already in the previous classes. So the same way, nested if else also that. Nested if else. So if inside another if, and else is inside another if, or else inside another if else, means that is called nested if else. Okay. Mohammed Fakhruddin is myself only. That's it. Mohammed Fakhruddin is myself. Okay. Nested if else. Okay. So nested if else, how it will be if condition, and then if inside another if, okay. So if it consists of a block of code, and it should be inside else if else inside another if, it is called nested if else. So likewise, the loop inside another loop is called nesting of loop. The loop may be n number of nesting loops, it may be available in a single loop. A loop inside another loop, and it should be in another loop, like that it will be go. So today we are going to see about the concept nested if. We are going to see from the example. Okay, so first of all,
Today we are going to see, you know very well about matrix concept. Already you study, if you are a science student, if you are a science department student, you already studied about matrix and how we are going to calculate the matrix operations in using the programming language in C programming or C++ or Java. So that's the thing we are going to see. So Mahesh Prabhu did one program and he taken a screenshot and he sent to me. So that loop, that is a Fibonacci series, I think so. So answer will be like that: 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. There's no gap in between the each and every numbers because 0 is the first element, 1 is the second element, and 1 is the third element, 3 is the fourth element, and 5 is the fifth element, 8 is the sixth element, and 13 is the seventh element, and 21 is the eighth element, but there is no gap in the output, what he did. But anyway, I appreciate him. Anyway, the space should be there means what we should do. And the second one, it should be like that means what to do. 0, 1, 1, 3, 5. The output should become like that means we have to use one escape sequence called /n. We have to use one escape sequence called /n. So that is a thing, it is a basic thing. We will see in the next session. After the 15th class, we will conduct one test and after that we will start from the middle level. It is a beginning level, it is a very basic level, fundamental level, and we will see the middle level. That time we will see what is escape sequence, what is variables. Theoretically we didn't see anything, we did only programs. So that time I explained this one. Now you just see /n, it will display for next line, and /t, it is for tab. Tab space, you know that. Okay, 8 spaces is equal to 1 tab space. Okay, so /t if you are using in the C programming or C++ programming or Java programming, so it will give the tab space, and /n it will give the next line category. Okay, fine. Anyway, now, okay, new levels are there. Mohan Elumalai, hi sir, hi. Sukumar Surya, hi sir, hi. And then Dia J, 2. What is 2? I didn't get. 1 plus 1, 2. Yeah, here he is saying like that. 3. Okay, fine, good. Mohammed Fazil, hi sir. Mohammed Fazil is coming and going like guest role. Mohammed Fazil, okay. Mahesh Prabhu, hi Fazil Anna. உங்களோட ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்பை வந்து தனியாக வச்சுக்கோங்க. அடுத்தது அவன் ஜார்விஸ்ன்னு சொல்லியிருக்க போகிறான். That is Mohammed Fazil. Okay, fine. Anyway, this is a pattern. Dia J, 2. You told? I missed it. I written here. Okay, fine. Anyway, nested for loop. How nested loops? It will be in a for inside another for, or a while inside another for, a while inside another while, or a for inside another while. Likewise, a loop inside another loop. Commonly we can say it is a nested loop. So first of all, what is the easiest loop of for, while and do while? Which one is the easiest loop? Send to the answer. Send through the comment. What is the easiest loop? Who will set the first answer? I'm expecting the answer from comments. Okay, for loop. Mohammed Fazil, for loop. Okay, Mahesh from for loop. Good. The answer is right. Mohammed Fazil later on the correct answer பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Okay, Gemini Mani, Dia J, and then Sparky Blossom, Razina. Razina is the last. Okay, fine. Anyway, for I is equal to 0 or I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I is equal to I plus 1. Now this is the initialization. and this condition, and then increment and decrement. And then one more for loop I'm just doing. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, and then I is equal to, sorry, I'm just using another variable that is called j. Instead of I, I'm just using j plus plus. Okay. And then I'm just opening the body and closing the body. Here I'm just writing printf. I want to print any value of these two integers, that may be I or j. I'm just printing an integer value that is percentage d of I. You just imagine I and j both are integer values. So what is the output of the following program? Can you guess, anyone? Sir, why don't we use I plus plus instead of I plus 1? That's a good question, Fazil. We can use I plus plus. We can use I plus plus. Both are equal only. As I already told you, I is equal to I plus 1. I plus plus or plus plus I. All the three are same. All the three statements will tell the value of I will be incremented by 1. The value of I, it may be anything. If a value of I is 10, the I after execution of I is equal to I plus 1, after execution of I plus 1, it will be 11 because the value already is 10. So we are incrementing, we are executing the statement means it will be 11, or otherwise you can use anything, free any one of the statements from the 3. So if the I value is 10 means after execution of the statement it will be 11, as well as this one, as well as this one. So that is good question. What about J? Sir, எதுக்கு J display பண்ணல? இன்னும் நம்ம ப்ரோக்ராமே முடிக்கல. அதான் question, அதான் answer. நானும் ப்ரோக்ராமே முடிக்கல. ப்ரோக்ராமே நானும் போடல. ஓகே? போடலாம். Based on our necessity, we can print I value or either we can print J value, or otherwise you can use anything here. You can use Rasina here, RASEENA, whatever you can write. So I'm just using I value. You can use I value or J value or phi, anything, whatever. You can print a number. That is also right one. Anything you can print, or you can print star value. If you are giving star, it will be print star. So that is the thing. So you can write either, you can print either I value or J value, or you can write your name, or you can write you can put any special symbol, whatever it may be. Okay. So that's the thing. சரி, ஓகே. அதாவது சின்ன சின்ன மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் இருந்தால் தான் நாம வந்து ப்ரோக்ராமிங்கை கற்றுக்க முடியும். அதனால that is not a problem. It's okay. It is a stepping stone of success. Okay. Fine. Anyway, I'm just using what is the output of the following program. For example, if you are considering like that, if you are printing star, so it will be how many stars it will be, that is 5 5s are 25 stars it will become. Up to 25 stars it will be printed. Okay, based on the formula. How it is possible? For example, I'm just using 2, and 2 means 4 star it will become. Okay, so how it is working? If I am giving 5 means 5 rows and 5 columns. If you needed 5 rows and 5 columns, means if you can use I for row and J for column. I'm just clearing everything and I'm just starting from the program, so you may understand clearly. Okay, I'm going to print like that. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. This should be an output of my program, or it may be like that. How it is possible? If you are not using /n means, what will be the output of this program? It will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. It is possible, but you have to use for loop as well as /n, as well as /t. /n for next line and /t for tab. Tab means it will give some space to a number between two numbers, or between two characters, or between two strings, like that. So if you are not using for loop, if you are using for loop, nesting for loop, but if you are not using this /n and /t, it may be 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and 3, 3, 3. It will be like that. Okay. So now our problem definition is, we are going to print 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How many rows and how many columns now? So 3 rows, 3 columns. So how many for loops we needed? That is, how many iterations we needed? Row 3 iterations and column 3 iterations, so that I value is less than or equal to 3. It should be up to 3, and it should be starting from I is equal to 1, and it should be incremented by 1 by 1, I plus plus. Okay, so these are the condition of for loop we are going to give. Okay, what should we print? That's the thing we will see next. And what is the value? So that's why we put that I less than or equal to 3. And what is the starting value? That is I is equal to 1. It is incrementing by 1 by 1. Shall we start now? Okay. So this should be printed 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. You just see now. First, we are going to print this one 1, 1, 1. Listen carefully. Integer void main. We are going to use 2 variables, integer I comma j. Integer I comma j. And then I am going to give a value for I is equal to 1. As we already told in the problem definition, I less than or equal to 3. And then, as I already told you, I is equal to I plus 1, I plus plus I are same. So that I am just using I plus plus. And I am just opening this row. For this I for row and j for column. So j is equal to 1. J less than or equal to 3. J less than or equal to 3. And then j plus plus. I think it may be visible to you. Okay, I think it is visible, right? J plus plus. Okay. I'm going to print I value. Printf I is an integer value, percentage d I. I'm just closing. Okay. In between gap, I'm just using printf /n, and then I'm just closing this loop. I'm just closing this main. Shall we see the working principle of this? The output will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and then 3, 3, 3. The output of the following program is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. How? Shall we see now? எப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? Okay. Sure. I'm just starting from here. This is an output. Okay. Now this is I value, and then I condition, and then j value, and then j condition. Okay. Okay, fine. So now what is the I value? I value is starting from 1. 1 less than or equal to 3. The condition is true. The condition is true. If the condition is true, the statement will be, the condition is true means it will execute the statement, but here there is no statement. Here one more loop is there, that is called J. அதனால என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா J it will execute first. J, if J is completed, if the J is even, it reaches the false condition, it will exit the loop and then again it will be increment. First இதோடைய work எல்லாத்தையும் முடிச்சுக்கோ. எப்போ இது ஃபால்ஸ் ஆகுதோ அப்ப இந்த லூப்பை விட்டு வெளியே வரும். இது 3 தடவை ஒர்க் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் இது இதை விட்டு வெளியே வரும். I வேல்யூ ஒரு வேல்யூவா இருக்கும் பொழுது J 3 டைம் ஒர்க் ஆகும். The value of I is 1 time. Each and every time it will be iterated by 3 times. If I value is 1, J value will be 3 times. If I value is 2, J value will be iterated 3 times. If I value is 3, J value will be iterated 3 times. ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் I வேல்யூக்கு 3 தடவை J வேல்யூ வந்து ஒர்க் ஆகும். அது எப்படின்றது நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன் பாருங்க. So I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 3, J is equal to 1. The condition is true, 1 less than or equal to 3. J value is less than or equal to 3. Both the conditions are true. What we told actually, what is the statement? What is the execution statement? We should print the I value. What is the I value now? 1. First one it is completed. Okay. Move to the next one. J value will be incremented. இந்த லூப் எல்லாம் ஃபெயில் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் இதை விட்டு வெளியே போகும், ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. J value, I value அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். J value it is incremented by 1, that is 2. 2 less than or equal to 3. Either the condition is true or false. The condition is true. ரெண்டு வந்து 3 விட சின்னது தான். அப்போ the condition is true. True means it will come here and it will print the I value. What is the I value? It is constant, it is 1. And then after that, it will be incremented by 1. After that, it will be come here and it will be incremented. J value will be incremented. J value is 3. 3 less than or equal to 3. 3 is not less than but equal to 3. The condition is true. The I value will be printed because we told I value. You got it? Okay. So after that, once again it will be incremented. The J value will be 4. 4 less than or equal to 3. The condition is false. 4 less than or equal to 3. The condition is false. It will become exit of the loop. இது loop விட்டு exit ஆகும். Exit ஆச்சுன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? Slash in னு சொல்லிருக்கோம். What is the meaning of slash in? Slash in means next line. Slash in means next line. அப்ப இங்க இருக்கிற இந்த வேல்யூவை print பண்ணு. எதை print பண்ணு? நீ போக வேண்டிய line next line. You should go by next line. So it will become here. எதனால 2 இங்க print ஆகுதுன்னு தெரியுதா? Okay. The same thing. It will be come out of the loop. ஒரு தடவை எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆன I வந்து இரண்டாவது தடவை இன்கிரிமெண்ட் ஆகுது because the complete execution will be completed. ஒரு தடவை எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆயிருச்சு. ஃபார்மேட் இருக்கிறது 2 minutes. Okay, shall we resume now? Two, the I value is incrementing after that, after execution of, after failing of the statement. இது ஃபெயில் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் இது வெளியே வரும், ஒரு ஸ்லாஷ் வந்து வரும். ஸோ இங்க இந்த இடத்துல கர்சர் வந்து நிற்கும். இங்க பிரிண்ட் ஆகாம அடுத்த பொசிஷன் இங்க பிரிண்ட் ஆகிறதுக்காக நிற்கும். அது வந்து ஸ்லாஷ் என் அப்படின்றது அதுக்காக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம். அடுத்த வேலை நீ இங்க பிரிண்ட் ஆகக்கூடாது, இங்க தான் பிரிண்ட் ஆகணுன்றதுக்காக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றது ஸ்லாஷ் என். ஓகே, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் the two the I value is incrementing by 1, that is true. 2 less than or equal to 3. The condition is true or false. The condition is true. Then it will be coming inside. The condition is true means it is coming inside. J is equal to 1. J is newly born. Okay, each and every time J is newly born. Okay, J is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 3. The condition is true. 1 less than or equal to 3 means it should come inside. So that is I value, it should be print. What is the I value now? The I value is 2. The 2 value, it will be print here. Okay, you got it? And then again J will be incrementing. J value is 2. 2 less than or equal to 3. 2 less than or equal to 3. The condition is true. The true means we need to print the I value. The I value is same, that is 2. Once again. And then again J value, it will be increment. J value is incrementing means, listen carefully, J value is incrementing means the 2 it is incrementing, J value is 2 is incrementing by 1, that is 3. 3 less than or equal to 3, the condition is true because 3 is not less than but equal to. So 3 is equal to 3, the condition is true. I value again it should be print 2. And then J value it will be incremented by 1, that is 4. 4 less than or equal to 3, the condition is false. False means it will become out of the loop. Out of the loop, one statement is that is called printf slash n. Slash n means the cursor, it will be blink here, it should be blink there. Okay, so it will become out of the loop. After that, I is incrementing by 1, that is 3. ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் ஐக்கு 3 தடவை எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகும். ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் எத்தனை தடவை எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகும்? 3 தடவை எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகும். சோ 3 தடவை எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகும் பொழுதும் நாம பிரிண்ட் பண்ண சொல்றது எந்த வேல்யூ தான்? I வேல்யூ தானே தவிர J வேல்யூவே இல்ல. நாம அடுத்த ப்ரோக்ராம்ல J வேல்யூவை வச்சு நாம எப்படி வர்க் பண்றதுன்றத அடுத்த ப்ரோக்ராம்ல பார்க்கலாம் இதே இதுல. ஓகே, அகைன் 3 less than or equal to 3, the condition is true. True னு சொன்ன உடனே 3 less than or equal to 3 ங்க நாம கண்டிஷனை செக் பண்றோம். செக் பண்ண உடனே the condition is coming here. J less than or equal to 3, the condition is true. I mean J is 1. 1 less than or equal to 3, the condition is true means we are printing I value. The I value is 3. And then J value is incrementing by 1, that is 2. 2 less than or equal to 3. 2 less than or equal to 3, the condition is true. We need to print I value. What is the I value? 3. J is incrementing by 1 because of this statement. We told J++, we returned J++. So 2 it is incremented by 1, that is 3. 3 less than or equal to 3, the condition is 3 is not less than 3, but 3 is equal to 3, the condition is true. Again we are printing I value, that is 3. It is coming, again it will be incrementing, the J value it is incrementing, and 4 less than or equal to 3, the condition is true or false. The condition is false, then it will become exit of the statement. We are saying you just print slash n. The cursor is blinking here, it will become here after the 3. Next row. And then again we are coming here, I value is incrementing by 1, that is 4. 4 less than or equal to 3, the condition is true or false. The condition is false, it will be come out of the statement. If the condition is false, it will become out of the statement. So finally we are getting, it is in the matrix format. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. A small change is that instead of I, we are printing J value means we are changing, the output will become here. Come like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How? each and every time the value of J value is varying. If we are printing I value, each and every iteration, the I value is constant. Each and every 3 times, the I value is constant. But each and every time the J value, each and every I value, the J value is constantly incrementing. If you are printing J value, it will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But what about the I value? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Like that, the output will be coming like that. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Instead of you are using star, I'm just rubbing, you just see afterwards. I'm just using star, double quotation, inside the double quotation I'm just using star means what it will become? It will become like that. Star, 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 star. It will become like that. You got it? We saw 3 programs with the explanation. Each and every time we are going to tell if you are using star, it will become star. If you are using I value, it will be 1, 1, 1. If you are using J value, it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You got it? You got the logic?
Okay.
Slash T. Why we are giving slash T? That is a good question from Smuffy Blossom. So, if you are using slash T here, that is a good question. Printf star slash T, the gap it will become in between each and every stars. We should not give here, it should become after the star. If you are using for numbers, you can use like that. Printf percentage %d, after the integer number we should print slash T and then close, and then I or J you can give. So in between this gap it should be fulfilled by slash T. That's a good one. Good question. You got the answer maybe, I hope. Okay. Is there anything else? So far any doubts? We saw one program, but with the help of one program, we saw 3 these are the pattern programs. Okay. So this type of questions, it will be very useful for the interview time. Okay, on spot we have to write a program. So sometime they will ask like that. They will ask might be ask 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is called Floyd's triangle. So you can sometimes they will ask 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. They will ask like that, and sometimes they will ask star, 2 star, 3 star. They will ask. So these are the interview-based question, and it is very useful for you. So once you complete it, once you got it, that means I will tell you any one of the program, and you have to do in C++ and Java. Okay. So feedback please through comments. I'm expecting your how many any doubts so far? Finished. I'm asking about doubts. Is there any doubts so far? This is an explanation you should write. Then only you can easily identify. Last slash T use what happened? What last? Okay, that is a good question. Magesh will be asking slash T. If you are giving instead of slash n, we are giving slash T means it will become like that. 1, 1, 1. After that, 2, 2, 2, and then 3, 3. The reflection of the slash t is this gap. The reflection of this slash t is this gap. That's what it will be happening if you are giving like that means. Okay, Mahesh Prabhu, you got it that? If you are giving slash t here means 1, 1, 1, it will not come to the next line. It will become here 1, 1, 1, and then 2, 2, 2, and then 3, 3, 3. It will become like that. You got it? Okay, Dia J is asking one question, that is system dot out dot. I'm just rubbing this one for the doubt clarification. Okay. Dia J is asking one question, that is system dot out dot println I, comma, slash t. I mean, inside the system dot out dot println, she is asking I slash t. Is it right, sir? She is asking. Okay, that is a good question, and you have to use plus here. That's enough. You have to add plus here. I plus comma slash t. That's right. It is right because we need to merge this space and then I. We need to merge means we have to use plus because as I already told, Mahesh Prabhu also asked previous classes, plus is the conjunction of string and variable. This is a string. Whatever we are writing inside the double quotation, that is treated as a string. But anyway, we are using escape sequences. But whatever we are using inside the double quotation and variable, it should be mingled with, it should be connected with the help of plus. So instead of this, you have to choose this one. This is the right one. Okay, Diyaji, thank you. Rasina, எதுக்கு plus ன்னு கேக்குறீங்க? Okay, அதுக்கு okay sir ன்னு சொல்றீங்க. Okay, fine. Any doubts so far? Is there any doubts? Okay, fine. Yesterday I told you I need the information of your end of the session. I told end of the session. I told what I told actually. Okay, we are going to provide e-certificate, so we need the details of yours. As I already told. Only one details I received yesterday, that is from Kritika Kirti, and I need all your details. I mean, if you need a certificate or e-certificate, anything, I need your name, address, school or college, or what is your qualification, your email ID. These are the things required. So today I am expecting, because tomorrow is the last class. So if you gave your details, then we can prepare the certificate for you, so that as soon as possible you send. Okay. Now we are going to see 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. That's the thing we are going to see now. Okay. I'm just erasing this one. Mohammed Fazil is asking, can I give mine? Yeah, you can give. You can send your details. You can send your details through our mail ID verelevelkalvi@gmail.com. Otherwise, you can send your details through WhatsApp number, that is 9361228165. Okay. Okay, shall we see now? I'm just changing a small change here. I less than or equal to 3. The same thing here. இங்க 3 தான் வச்சுக்க போறோம். But j less than or equal to I அப்படின்னு இங்க வச்சுக்க போறோம். 3 க்கு பதிலா நமக்கு வச்சுக்க போறது I. I'm just rewriting the statement here for your clarity. For j is equal to 1. J is equal to 1. J less than or equal to. Previously we wrote j less than or equal to 3. But here we are going to write j less than or equal to I and then j plus plus. Okay. Shall we go? How it is working? Okay. Now, I'm just erasing this one. Okay. So first, we are going to print the output will become like that. How it will be possible? The output will be 1, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. The triangle name is Floyd's triangle. FLOD. Floyd's. FLOYDS. Floyd's triangle. FLOYDS. Floyd's triangle. And one more triangle is that is Pascal triangle. It will become like that. 1. It will become like 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. It will become like that. That is the thing we will see in the next class. Okay. So now we are going to see now Floyd's triangle. How 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So you just see here. You know very well about this program. I slightly changed one thing. I less than or equal to 3. This is as usual. And here, instead of j less than or equal to 3, I used j less than or equal to I. Okay. The first iteration, I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 3. The condition is true. Coming to the j is equal to 1. J less than or equal to I. J is 1. J less than or equal to I. What is I value? That is 1. So 1 less than or equal to 1, the condition is true. The condition is true means it will become here, the I value, it will be printed. So 1 is printed. The first thing is over. Move to the next one. J is equal to 1. J it will be automatically incremented. That is j is equal to 2. Because we are in J loop. J loop kulla da nam irukrom. 2 less than or equal to, I mean j less than or equal to I. What is the I value? That is 1. The condition is false. The condition is false. If the condition is false, it will be come out of the loop. Come out of the loop means what we are written here, that is /n. So it will become here. என்ன வந்துரும்? இங்க 1 ன்னு print ஆகும். Print ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் இங்க அடுத்தது 1 ன்னு print ஆகணும். But condition false ன்றதுனால இங்க இருக்கிற statement, இங்க இருக்கிற cursor இங்க வந்துரும். You got it? Okay. So coming to the next one, இங்க வந்து slash work ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் நடக்கிறது increment of I. The I value is 2 less, the I value is 2. 2 less than or equal to 3. The condition is true. True னு சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் it will become inside the J loop. What is the J loop now? J loop is J is 1. 1 less than or equal to, I mean j less than or equal to I. What is the I value? That is 2. 1 less than or equal to true. The condition is true. What value we should print? That is 2 it should be printed. So that here 2 it will become. You got it? You got it that? Again, j will be incremented. ஏன்னா j ஏற்கனவே இருந்தது 1. So j should be incremented. So if j is incremented means it will be 2 less than or equal to 2. The condition is true or false. 2 is not less than but equal to 2. The condition is again true. True means I value will be printed. What is the I value? That is 2. 2 times printed in the second line. And then j value is incremented 3 less than or equal to 2. The condition is true or false? The condition is false. 3 வந்து 2 விட பெருசு இல்ல. 3 is not less than 2. Okay, so that the condition is false, it will become out of the loop. The slash in it will become, so after the slash in, இங்க இருக்கிற cursor, if the cursor is coming to here, actually the cursor is here to wait the next string, to wait to print the next number, but here the condition is false, so that the cursor is coming to here to next line. Okay, now the I value, after the execution of the end, the I value is incremented. After the I value is incremented means it will be 3 less than or equal to 3, the condition is true. If the condition is true, it is coming here, j is newly born, j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to, j less than or equal to I, the I value is 3. The condition is true. I less than or equal to 3, 1 less than or equal to 3. The condition is true means it will become here, the I value it will be print. What is the I value now? That is 3, it will become here. You got it? Okay, again, j value it will be incremented because one iteration is over, then it will be 2 less than or equal to 3. If the condition is true, the I value should be print. What is the I value? That is 3. Again, j value will be incremented by 1, that is 3. 3 less than or equal to 3, the condition is true. Again, I value will be printed, that is 3. J value, after the execution of the statement, j value will be incremented, that is 4. 4 less than or equal to 3, the condition is false. If the condition is false, it will become here. It should be an slash n, that is next line. So the cursor is blinking here, it will become after the next line. Okay, so 4 less than or equal to 3, the condition is false. It will be exit. The output will become 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Instead of I, we are using j. Instead of I, we are using j means the output will be 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It will become like that. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You got it? Instead of I and j, if you are using star, it will become like that, star, 2 star, and then 3 star. You got it? So today 6 C programs we completed. You have to write 6 C++ program, 6 Java programs. So that is your assignment of next class. Okay? Is there any doubt so far? Okay, Mohammed Fazil here. Rasina Sifana answer name clear illa. The name clear illa puriyilla. I'm not getting. All of you clear? Any doubts so far? I'm expecting doubts from yours. Any doubts so far? Program name is Floyd's, Floyds. Floyd's ஒரு ஆள் அவர் இந்த மாதிரி ட்ரையாங்கிள் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காரு. அதனால Floyd's triangle, to display Floyd's triangle. Once again say the assignment please. Today we saw 6 programs. 6 patterns we saw in C programming only. So you have to convert into C++ and Java. That's your work. Diya Jai, no sir, everything is clear. So anything else? Shall we terminate the session? Tomorrow is the last session. So don't forget to come and don't miss it. Okay, shall we terminate the class? Hope you understand the class, understand the concepts, understand the program. I hope, and thank you for watching. Thank you for your presence. And today, who are the participants? That is Mafi Blossom,
Harita, Rasina Sifana, Diya Jai, Gemini Mani, that is Yuvashri, Magesh Prabhu, and then Mohan Yerumalai, Sukumar Surya. Sukumar Surya, are you there in the class? I need your reply, Sukumar Surya. And then Mohammed Fazil, அப்பப்போ வந்துட்டு போறவர். Okay, there is Mohammed Fazil, and then Magesh Prabhu. Mohammed Fazil, he asked so many doubts today. Good. And he answered very well today. Diya Jain, when is test? That is a good question. After 15 days, after the tomorrow's class, or after the next class, we will tell the details through your number or your mail ID. I need the details of yours. Mohammed Fazil, I need the details of yours. Smafi Blossom, Diya Jain, Magesh Prabhu. I need the details to our channel. You can send your details through our email ID, that is bearlevelkalvi@gmail.com. You know very well about that. Otherwise, you just send your details through WhatsApp number 9361228165. Okay, thank you for your presence. Thanks for watching Bear Level Kalvi YouTube channel. And please share this session. Please share about this session to your friends. Don't forget to share. And this session is very useful to you. Thank you. Yes, very useful.